Family sitting comfortably together, the sound of rain pouring outside. Narrator, picture this. It's a stormy night, rain pounding against your windows, and you're snuggled up on the couch with your loved ones. But instead of feeling damp and musty, your home is cozy and dry, thanks to the AEOCKY 4,500 square feet most efficient Energy Star dehumidifier. Cut to a cheerful couple in their basement, rearranging boxes and organizing storage. Narrator, are you tired of dealing with damp and moldy spaces in your home? Whether it's your basement, bedroom, bathroom, or any other room, the AEOCKY dehumidifier is the solution for you. Say goodbye to musty odors, mold growth, and discomfort caused by excess humidity. This powerful dehumidifier can handle up to 4,500 square feet, making it perfect for large spaces and homes. Cut to a close-up of the dehumidifier, showcasing its sleek design and user-friendly controls. Narrator, let's talk about some of the incredible benefits and features of the AEOCKY dehumidifier. With a maximum capacity of 80 pints per day, this smart compressor dehumidifier is designed to efficiently remove excess moisture from the air, creating a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. And with its Energy Star 2025 certification, you can trust that this dehumidifier is not only effective but also energy efficient. Cut to a time-lapse of the dehumidifier in action, showing how it quickly and quietly dehumidifies a room. Narrator, one of the standout features of the AEOCKY dehumidifier is its intelligent humidistat, which automatically adjusts the humidity levels based on your desired settings. This means you can set it and forget it, knowing that your home will always stay at the perfect humidity level. Plus, with the included drain hose, you can easily set up continuous drainage, so you never have to worry about emptying a water tank. Cut to different rooms in a house, showing how the dehumidifier can be used in various scenarios. Narrator, whether you're using it in your basement to prevent mold growth, in your bedroom for a better night's sleep, or in your bathroom to combat excess moisture, the AEOCKY dehumidifier is a versatile and essential appliance for any home. Its compact size and portability make it easy to move from room to room, ensuring that every corner of your home stays dry and comfortable. Cut to a split-screen comparison with a standard dehumidifier, showing the AEOCKY dehumidifier's superior performance. Narrator, now, you may be wondering how the AEOCKY dehumidifier stacks up against the competition. Well, let me tell you, with its maximum capacity of 80 pints per day, standard 56 pints per day, advanced compressor technology, and intelligent humidistat, this dehumidifier outperforms other models on the market. And with its Energy Star 2025 certification, you can trust that it's not only powerful but also eco-friendly. Cut to a family sharing their experience with the AEOCKY dehumidifier, talking about how it has improved their home environment. Narrator, but don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. The Smith family from Ohio loves how the AEOCKY dehumidifier has transformed their basement into a usable and comfortable space, free from mold and dampness. And Sarah from California raves about how the intelligent humidistat has made her bedroom feel like a cozy sanctuary, even during the humid summer months. Cut to a close-up of the dehumidifier, with the narrator's voiceover. Narrator: so, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to musty odors, mold growth, and discomfort caused by excess humidity. Transform your home into a healthier and more comfortable living environment with the AEOCKY 4,500 square feet most efficient Energy Star Dehumidifier. Order yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Fade out with a strong call to action on the screen.